He brings a unique blend of compassion, leadership, and adaptability to everything he does, making a positive impact both professionally and personally. Please just help me welcome Mr. Mark Codina for our second presenter.
Asa itong buwan itong manipakyaw ng introduction? Wala ito.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. Mark Codina!
But anyways, so again, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, my name is Mark, virtualstaffmanagement.com. So quick recap for those who were not able to hear when we have this, when I presented this last June, I think, or May. So Kristen, please forward siguro until page 25. One lang, siguro every 1 to 2 seconds. So I'm not gonna read through all those recap. I'm just gonna slide it, the first 25 pages. But basically, my work is work from home agency. We provide staffing solution to US. Right now, US, Israeli, and Australian clients. US, I have two. One, Chicago-based spa center. We do the VA and social media. And then New York-based solar panel company. We provide 3 staff, mix of VA slash sales coordinator slash EA for their sales agents in that company. One Israeli, we provide 3 as well. We handle sales, outbound email, e-commerce, dropshipping. We coordinate with our Hong Kong test team. We actually sell chips, ICs, both for military and non-military clients. For military, Israeli-based military company. And then Australian, we have 2, one in Melbourne. Makeup solutions or makeup products, and then Sydney-based plastic surgeon. So we coordinate for the Melbourne-based. We do the customer service, e-commerce, and then for the Sydney-based, we provide EA and VA staff. So basically, all my what do you call this market is page forward back. All outside the Philippines. Also, as you can see, we aside from doing all the usual work, we also me and my family also do some community service as well. I'm an Eagle member, and then so that's my recap, and then I want you to imagine that you are a US-based, or should I say, US or non-Philippine-based company, so that you would understand how the work from home setup is being managed or being handled. So I want you to have any of the point of view right here, maybe as an employer. So the goal of this slideshow would be to teach you that, or to express to you that hybrid is the future. There should be a business continuity plan. Sir Kristen and Sir Raymond mentioned future-proofing your business. Aside from future-proofing your business, it should also be there should also be BCP, especially if we have a debt or something like that. Then cost effectiveness, and then increase the bottom line. And then, or probably you can be a point of view as an employee. You can increase your productivity, increased efficiency, happier disposition, and time management. Or as a BNI member, maybe you can refer me to any of your friends in the US or anywhere else. Maybe you can, we can have a call out. Forward, sir. Thank you. Okay, paradigm shift. This is a screenshot of our founder. He went into actually he has a work from home setup in his house, as per the video. Next slide, sir. Then remember last week, so we do have the typhoon or storm issue. So this was a screenshot of my kids' memo that they would switch to online class last week. So what I'm trying to say is our kids right now can easily switch from face-to-face to online class in a matter of minutes. My question to you is, can your business do that as well? Not yet? Let's talk. My grade 8 can face-to-face to online class in a matter of minutes. Anyways, our top hires would be executive assistant, VA, receptionist. If you were able to read the description a while ago, of their capabilities, marketing experts, social media managers, sales development representative, appointment setter, graphics designer, web dev, quality analyst for software, and then accounting, and the usual customer service, technical support, and chatters. Somebody offered us this chatters skill. It's actually an adult work, kind of work. Yeah.
Adult work?
Yeah.
So,
So this is the sales funnel. This is the usual sales funnel. If you're not familiar, this is what we call tofu, mofu, bofu. Top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel. So basically all your business activities, whatever you're doing, and then we have our appointment setters that can do that. And then we have our sales development representative that would nourish your leads, and of course, the mula. Pero sa ang work from home setup, can you forward? I've added, these are where our other VA would intervene. So we have EA, receptionist from all over the funnel, and then you should have your design or your graphics team, your accounting, your bookkeeping, 1 minute na lang. And then customer service. Forward, please. Okay, so for example, if you are into real estate, or if you're a lawyer, business owner, or if you're into trades, like tattoo, massage, spa, skincare, lawn, gardening, plumbing, masonry, power banks, tech, or e-commerce, these are the kinds of services that you need. So I tried to categorize it per power team, so maybe so that you can relate. For example, if you want to hire work from home people, as you can see, walay social media diha, because everybody needs social media. Can you forward, please? Okay. Yeah. Phone support, email, and chat are the usual support system. Next, please. Our portfolio, I mentioned that already. Next, please. Previous, forward na lang. Okay, one time. More. I mentioned also the last time. Okay, benefits. You gain more time by delegating tasks. You can focus on your big rocks. Scale up, execute your growth plan. Increase your bottom line by hiring cost-effective workers. Next, please. Thank you. This the slideshow that I shared to my prospect. If they would feel like going into BPO, I shared to them, cost effectiveness. Next, please. Hiring timeline. We can hire from 1 week up to 1 month, depending on how many people you need. Next, please. Okay, I would like to share to you the social media trends right now. I just forgot one more slide there. So right now, social media is not just about posting pictures, codes, whatever. Two things that are trending right now would be community and the videos. For the community, kung nakalimutan ng post niya would be, you should have your own community. For example, last lang, For example, coffee, there's a shop in Il Corso, a coffee shop. He's now setting up a run club for Il Corso, a coffee liquor run club, so that he would have this, community-based customers. So if you don't have that in your business right now, maybe you should, think of it. Another one would be, if you go to SM, there's a Dry Plus, mga socks, and by Burlington. They also have their own community Facebook page. So they're very active in there, posting their, discounts, where to buy, what to buy, the usual designs. And then lastly, trends. Reels. So I'll show you some trends right now that, I even share this one to you as a forward.
The perfect
So,
regalo sa
sample na siya.
quality time samahan mo sa buhay na parehas na may enjoy. Bukod doon, sobrang mura lang para sa napakadami nilang gagawin sa iyong masarap at very relaxing. Ito ang
Buto na
Vietnamese
siya.
Spa Spa na located
Pwede
lang sa
din.
Rose Boulevard corner, Russell
Forward.
Street, Baclaran.
Next page.
Engineers,
Mga 10
architects,
seconds.
managers na sa ito. Sometimes also
Construction.
para to sa mga
As you can see, tanaway lang ang mga ilang engagement. I'm not even into the construction, but I follow this page. Food. This is in Palawan. No, the previous one is in Manila. So this is the current trend right now in the Philippines. It's not just pictures. There's a plot twist. Shake it.
Like the grabber
Oh, I see.
it's quite unique.
Why
I
is
also
it?
like the Recaro seats, the new infotainment system. I love everything about this.
Next. This is in, I think, Siargao or CDO.
Abot sila waso pa rin.
Still in Centrio, kwan siya, no? CDO mo siguro. Next na lang eh. May error. Next. This is in Siargao. Okay, so that's the trend right now in social media. Ideally, your employees can do that. But if you need a professional assistant, I have a team that can help you out with that. We have packages that can do those stuff. So that's the kind of new package that I have. An influencer group just approached me, and they are willing to provide such creative mind for your business. Next. Lastly, my QR, bilan kayo, because I have a lot of channels, because dili tanan na sa Facebook. So I have Viber to whatever. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Mark, for the nice presentation. May I call Mr. President? Back to you, Pres.
All right. Thank you.